Hello everyone, Nishant here from learnqaskill. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what are the different software testing techniques we have. Then next we will discuss about the different static testing techniques like reviews, inspections and walkthroughs. So let's discuss first about the software testing techniques. So software testing techniques divided into two categories. First is a static testing techniques and another one is a dynamic testing techniques. So static testing techniques we apply on the documents like requirement document, design document, coding related document. So whenever we apply the testing on any kind of document, that we call as a static testing. And another one is a dynamic testing. So dynamic testing we apply on a actual software application. So once the software application is ready and whatever the testing we conducted on that actual software application, that we call it as a dynamic testing. So static testing further divided into three types: reviews, inspections and walkthroughs. All these three techniques are static testing techniques. Dynamic testing techniques further divided into two categories: functional testing and non-functional testing. These two type of testing apply on a actual software application. So in the functional testing, we have unit testing, integration testing, system testing, UAT testing. UAT testing is a user acceptance testing. And in the non-functional testing, we have performance testing, security testing, usability testing, compatibility testing, etc. So first let's discuss about reviews. So reviews are conducted on the document to ensure that the document are correct and complete. So whenever we conduct the review on requirement document, we call it as a requirement review. If we conduct the review on design document, we call it as a design review. If we conduct the review on coding related any documents, we call it as a code review. If we conduct the testing on test plan document, that we call as a test plan review. And if we conduct any review on test case document, that we call it as a test case review. Next is a walkthroughs. So walkthrough is an informal type of review where author reads the document or code and discuss with peers. And it is not a pre-planned and it can be done whenever it's required or whenever is necessary. Next is a inspection. Inspection is a formal type of a review process, so it can be planned or a schedule. Inspection will have a proper schedule which will be intimated via the email to the concerned developer and the tester. So in the inspection, at least 3 to 8 people should be there: reader, writer, moderator. These three people involved in the inspection meeting. Reader, who is the author of the document, who creates the document. Second is a writer. Writer will note down all the clarifications, questions or issues from the discussion. Whatever the discussion is going on, in that discussion, he will note down all the points like clarification, questions or any issues. And third is a moderator. Moderator is a organizer of the meeting and work as the mediator between author and other team members. So moderator is a responsible person to managing all the inspection related activities, and he is the person who is informing to the developer and the tester via the emails.